Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you one of my healthy yummy lunch recipes I eat to stay healthy and in shape, and that will be steamed shrimps vegetables with brown rice. So I boiled the rice with vegetables, and I equally steamed the shrimps with vegetables. Very healthy, and the oil I use is healthy oil, olive oil, or you can use coconut oil, so you don't use bad fats, bad oils causing weight gain. So in order to come up with a shrimp sauce and to go with a brown rice, the first ingredient you need is shrimps. So if you don't have shrimps, as I mentioned earlier, you can substitute with fish is very healthy as well. It will still go. And I mentioned earlier I'll be having it with brown rice. So this is brown rice. Any brand of brown rice is fine, so long as it is brown rice, because brown rice is not processed and your system easily breaks it down without store up, causing weight gain, belly fat, and the rest. So in order to come up with my shrimps, I love colors. All these vegetables, I love them because they are nutrient dense to nourish my system. So I'll be using the three different colors of pepper, and these are the vegetables I'll be using to boil the rice with. So just watch the procedure if you are interested to try this recipe of mine. So I want to slice my peppers. I'll be using half of each pepper to slice into some square beautiful shapes, and I will tell you what I will do with the remaining half of each of the peppers. So that is half. I use half, and I left half to use later. Why do I keep saying half? I'll be using half later. So this is it. You just need to slice into tiny little beautiful sizes that you want. And yeah, so these peppers are very good. If you notice, most of my meals I add them there because these peppers, sweet peppers, are one of the richest sources of antioxidants to nourish and fight free radical damage from the inside as you eat to stay healthy. So I'll be using half an onion too, slicing into cute little sizes. Onion is so good, it makes your food taste so beautiful as well. So this is my colorful bowl of different vegetables. Very good. The importance of colors if you want to stay healthy, like these natural colors from fruits and vegetables, very healthy. So this is the remaining half of each of the peppers. I'll just slice into tiny sizes that I want to blend to use as the sauce to steam my shrimps with. So I'll blend this. So this is it, I rinsed, and I'll blend to use the sauce to steam up the shrimp, so it can really taste good in the mouth. Like it can be taste good. This is so good to steam with. So these are the peppers, and I'm adding a little bit of water and onion to blend, and that is it. As you can see, that is the paste I'll be using at the back. And I'll be using, these are the spices I'll be using. I'll be using maggi, salt, paprika, basil, and chicken spice. So I want to put my shrimps in my pot. This is the pot I'll be uh, like preparing the shrimps in. So I've put like half a teaspoon of salt. That is half a teaspoon of salt. I'll be adding some dry paprika. This makes it taste so good, and it makes your food look so saucy. Like this is so nice. Like it gives color to your meals. So nice besides the taste. So I'll be adding 1 cube of maggi cube now, so it tastes and gets into the shrimps for taste. And I'll be adding one later, as I'll be using two. So I'm adding this while cooking. I'll add one more cube of maggi for taste. I'll be adding in my basil spice now. So just like half a teaspoon is fine of your basil spice. This is the chicken spice. I'll be adding half a teaspoon of it. I don't really like my food too spicy, so it's this is just okay to for taste. Yeah, too tasty, not spicy. So yeah, too tasty or spicy. So you want to mix so the ingredients get into your shrimp, so the shrimp can taste good. So yeah, this is it. Now I will be adding in the like the paste I got from the peppers I showed you earlier. So this will produce some kind of a sauce for you to eat your rice with. You don't want to fry the shrimps, and you cannot even, it's like kind of a steamed sauce. So I'll cover my pot up for like 15 minutes so it cooks and kind gets kind of a thick consistency. While doing that, I'll get back to it. I'll boil my brown rice now. So I know everyone can boil rice, so I'll be boiling the rice with these vegetables. I just wash my rice and I'll just put it in my instant pot because I didn't want to like show it like the process of boiling rice. Like, who doesn't know how to boil rice? So I will just put the rice to boil in my instant pot, and I'll show you later on how it turns out to be. But you just need to add 2 cups of water. If you don't know, if you're a man watching, you just need to add 2 cups of water in 2 cups of rice and boil. If you're using your stove, that's okay. So when you get to this consistency, like the juice, like that sauce has really like cooked your shrimps and it gets to this kind of thickness, you want to add in your oil. So I'll be adding like 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Depending, olive oil is very healthy. You can put your olive oil, that is fine. It just depends the amount of olive oil, but don't put too much. So I added in 4 tablespoons. So you want to mix. You see, it looks kind of saucy, and that you can actually eat rice with. So as you cook, it gets thicker. And voila, this is the final result. This is the rich steamed shrimps you can actually serve with your rice and have as your lunch. Very healthy. These are the kinds of meals if you want to stay healthy, most especially if you're diabetic, you have all those hypertension, those health complications. This is what you want to go for, like healthy meals, so you can be assured of good health and even maintain your weight, because this is so good that your system can easily metabolize, like break down, so nothing stores up causing all the obesity leading to diabetes, hypertension, all those health complications. Eating healthy is self-love, and that assures you a very healthy life free of sicknesses, because your system is unable to break down the bad food you eat and it causes other health complications. So this is it. This is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope someone found this video helpful. Let's all jointly come up with these beautiful recipes to enable us stay healthy, free of diseases and sicknesses. So thank you for your time, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Tell them Riza said health is wealth. Health is like taking care of yourself is a form of self-love. That is what we need to do to feel good about ourselves and live like healthy, free of diseases and sicknesses. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.